There are big differences between the agricultural practices, crops and cultural backgrounds of farmers from different areas, regions and countries. However, what all the farmers do have in common is close contact with nature, hard work and their desire for early harvest, good quality and high yields. Atonik, a new plant stimulant, has been developed to help farmers fulfill these desires, as Atonik promotes early harvest, improves quality and significantly increases yields and profits. This is the biotech laboratory of Asahi Chemical. Basic experiments are carried out here in a continuous search for safer and more effective plant growth regulators and other bioactive substances. Here we investigate the life processes of plants and the mechanisms and functions of the cells. The high-tech apparatus and the efforts of the research people are the keys to the development of new, efficient products. The excellent performance of Atonik is the result of this high-tech biotechnology. Here is one of the Atonik manufacturing units. Atonik is continuously produced here to meet the demand of farmers all over the world. And here is Atonik, a new plant stimulant used widely on field crops, vegetables, fruits and ornamentals in temperate, subtropical and tropical zones. Atonik, a product with a unique performance, is protected by patents in many countries. Atonik application increases yields and improves quality, securing stable profits for the growers. Atonik's effects are easily observed, but how does it work? To answer this question, let's see Atonik's effect on plant cells. This is a plant cell, the basic unit of all plants. A plant cell consists of the cell wall, nucleus and cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is in continuous circulation, transporting nutrients, enzymes and other substances to the places where they are necessary for cell growth, cell division and cell protection from stress. This cytoplasmic streaming can be compared to the blood circulation in the human body, carrying oxygen and nutrients to all cells and supporting their life. Atonik application accelerates the cytoplasmic streaming by about 15% over the untreated control, thus activating the cells. Activated cells grow faster and are more resistant to environmental stress, resulting in healthier plants and higher and better yields. Atonik-activated pollen cells germinate better than the control, securing better flower fertilization and fruit set. In this test, Seed soaking in Atonik solution resulted in vigorous and uniform germination and noticeably better root growth of Atonik-treated rice seedlings. In another test, Atonik-treated soybean plants developed an obviously better root system than the untreated control. Atonik applied at crucial stages of plant development improved germination and rooting, vegetative growth and budding, flower fertilization and fruiting, Atonik-induced accelerated cytoplasmic streaming resulted in better uptake of minerals, and better flow of assimilates from leaves to roots, buds and fruits. Atonik application therefore improves all the factors essential for healthy growth and good harvest. Atonik is a solution that mixes easily with water. Atonik can be sprayed together with other agrochemicals to save application costs. This was one of the first plantations where Atonik was used extensively. Now the farmer sees Atonik as a central factor in his continuous efforts to improve tangerine looks, taste and yields. Products of this farm enjoy a good reputation in the market for their high quality. The farmer is proud of his tangerines.
私たちのアトニックの目的は同血剤、人間で言えば同血剤のつもりで散布いたしておりますので、みかんの樹液の同化を増すためにそれを散布するわけなんです。消費者ニーズっていうか、消費者が一番好むみかんはやはり糖度の高いみかんということが一番消費者に好まれます。したがってアトニックを使用することによって他の栄養のバランスを菌に対する栄養のバランスを保つ上において糖度を上げることができます。そのメリットが一番大きいかと思います。これが今年の出た新緑なんです。この芽をたくさん出すということは、これはいわゆる結果母子といって、来年この小枝に確実に開花し、そしてまた確実に実を結ぶことのできる枝なんです。こういう果実のなった枝は来年はならないんです。したがってこういう翌年度になる芽をたくさん出さすのがアトニックの力なんです。
Thailand, the granary of Asia. The main concern of rice growers is a good, high-quality harvest. The seeds of this rice were soaked in Atonik solution before sowing, providing vigorous, uniform germination and better-rooted seedlings than those that are not treated. Farmers who use Atonik on their plantations regard the heavy ears of rice with satisfaction and pride. Atonik is also applied to rice during growth, resulting in remarkable yield increase and drawing the attention of the rice farmers.
ตอนนี้ยังใช้อัลโทนิกอยู่หรือเปล่าครับ ก็ปกติผมจะใช้อยู่เป็นประจำ
ใช้อยู่เป็นประจำฮะฤดูกาลที่ใช้เนี่ยฮะ
ช่วงฤดูกาลที่ใช้คือหลังมันจะมีช่วงใช้เป็นจังหวะนะครับเช่นเมื่อเริ่มปริช่อดอกเราใช้2 ครั้ง
ครับ
นะฮะหลังจากนั้นก็ต้องดูความสมบูรณ์ของช่อดอกแล้วจะใช้อีกหรือไม่ใช้เนี่ยต้องดูความสมบูรณ์ช่อดอกถ้ามันสมบูรณ์ดีเราก็หยุดใช้คือสารอะโทนิกตัวนี้มันเป็นสารที่กระตุ้นให้มีการเจริญเติบโตและลักษณะการติดนะฮะ
ครับผม
แต่ใช้พอดีแล้วก็จะดีแต่ในผลที่ตกค้างอยู่คือทำสภาพปรับสภาพของต้น
ครับ
นะให้มีสภาพสมดุลในทางปุ๋ย
ครับ
นะครับ
Tomato cultivation in Japan. Atonik plays an important part in the production of tomatoes, increasing yield and improving taste to satisfy fastidious consumers. Atonik application is also rapidly increasing in the production of soybean, a very important crop, valued for its high protein and oil content. Strong pods, heavy with quality beans. The cultivation of tobacco. High quality and uniformity are required for fine tobacco leaves. Here again, Atonik demonstrates its remarkable effects. There is a clear difference between Atonik-treated plants and the untreated control. Cotton fields in the highlands of Thailand. By using Atonik, this farming family can harvest cotton about 7 days earlier than the farmers using no Atonik. This helps to avoid the peak of cotton pest infestation and to produce fine quality seeds and fiber. The taste of wine depends on the quality of the grapes. These grapes are grown with the special care of the farmer and with the help of Atonik. Atonik plays an important part in the production of peppers and cucumbers. Healthy plants and heavy fruits prove Atonik's effectiveness. The cucumber grower is looking forward to the harvest. Sweeter watermelons are possible if Atonik is used. They are sure to be sold at a good price. Roses add a colourful accent to everyday life and sometimes deliver a message from the heart. The cultivation of such delicate and fine quality roses largely depends on the grower's care and the application of Atonik. The same can be said about beautiful orchids. Atonik stimulates their sprouting, rooting and flower formation. In this greenhouse, all factors are controlled and maintained at optimal levels for lettuce growth. In this modern automated lettuce factory too, Atonik plays an important role. The healthy roots and balanced nutrient uptake induced by Atonik result in high yields and remarkable quality. Atonik is effective on a wide range of crops, including rice, cotton, vegetables, fruits and ornamentals. But Atonik offers particularly high returns on cash crops, crops that sell easily and for a good price. This is the University of Arkansas in the USA, where Atonik has been tested for many years at the Department of Agronomy, a leader in the research of plant growth regulators. In their research into Atonik, they demonstrated that the active ingredients in Atonik are natural substances, which are present in small amounts in untreated control plants as well as in Atonik-treated plants. Based on these data and the low toxicity of Atonik, the Environmental Protection Agency of the USA accepted Atonik as a natural substance. There should be no fear that Atonik washed off into rivers or ponds will hurt fish, as this experiment shows. Atonik at concentrations many thousands of times higher than can be expected in runoff water did not affect these fish even after 1 week of exposure. So, to summarize, Atonik is safe. Atonik is easy to apply. Atonik reduces stress injury. Atonik stimulates early harvest. Atonik improves quality. Atonik increases yields and profits. Finally, after many months of dawn to dusk effort, it's time for the harvest. A joyful task for growers and their families, a well-deserved reward. Farmers work hard to feed people, to produce fiber for our clothes, and to decorate our environment with flowers, shrubs and trees. In this great task, they need and deserve help from all organizations, companies and private citizens. Atonik is our contribution to higher profits for farmers and cheap and healthy food now and in the future.